Right, today we are making the white bread that our family has every weekend. So yeah, let's crack on with it. So in here I have 500 grams of white flour, strong white flour, bread flour. I'm going to add this into it now, which is the yeast. Followed by about a teaspoon of good old salt. Yeah, about. With 300 mils of water. It is such an easy bread recipe. I love it. And then you have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It is really that simple, and then we're going to mix it together. And every now and then just give it a bit of a clean, because I need a bigger bowl. I need a bigger machine. Right, so it's had us about 8 minutes kneading time. That's why I love doing it in the machine. Get nicely away from the dough hook. Chuck that little bit in here. And then all I do is chuck a damp tea towel over it and then find somewhere warm to leave it to rise for a minimum 1 hour. So we'll check back with you a little bit later on. Right, please excuse the microwave in the background. I am busy prepping lunch. So our next bit is we're going to knock this dough back, turn it out on here, put the tea towel back over it, leave it for another hour before we bang it into the oven to bake some bread. Right, the oven is almost up to temperature. For the recipe, sprinkle a bit of extra flour on top. Hopefully gives it a beautiful crust. I've just grabbed a sharp knife for mine. It's our steak knives. It's just got a serrated edge. Hopefully it works at cutting a little cross in. There we go, and then it goes into the oven at 200 for about 30 minutes. So we'll see you on the flip side of 30 minutes. Right, so that is probably 1 baked loaf. The timer says I've got a minute left, so it's coming out. And there is our beautifully baked family loaf for the weekend. I'm going to stick it onto a rack just to let it dry underneath and it doesn't sweat onto my grease-proof paper. But that should feed the family of 3 of us for the weekend. We'll catch you again next time I do some more baking for you. But in the meantime, if you're going to try this, enjoy it.